Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Cryo Scalper Indicator for MT4. Okay, so this indicator helps with fast-paced trading. Okay, if you are a high-frequency trader, then you might want to consider this indicator that is built to capture quick intraday price movements. All right. Now, unfortunately, the Cryo Scalper Indicator is for sale. Okay, and you can see that this is the official website for the Cryo Scalper. If you want to order the indicator, you have to go to the website to make order. But I am going to recommend that before you make any financial commitments to any indicator, you should always check if there is a demo available. Okay, if there is a demo available, you should test the demo first so that you can be sure if it meets your expectations at least. Okay, you can be able to see how it has performed, maybe in the past or maybe in a virtual environment, right, during the demo. Okay, but then this indicator, it helps to identify possible trend direction, and the possible reversals when you find a dark blue, circle and these diamond shaped objects appearing in this indicator window. It means it's giving you a buy signal, prevailing momentum bullish, and then you can also proceed to buy after you get your confirmation from the indicator and perhaps candlestick pattern confirmations as well. On the other hand, when you notice the circle, the sky blue colored circle appeared, and then you have this as well, sky blue, you would want to look for sell opportunities. Okay, now in this case we can see that the dark blue started from around here, continued up to this point. The sky blue started from here, continued up to this point. So this indicator looks a bit confusing. We can see this together, right? But it seems like the emphasis can be on the circles, right? The dark blue circles, the sky blue circles, and the buy arrows and the sell arrows. Okay, because these are the ones that seem more, more precise, more accurate, even though I, for one, do not know if this indicator repaints or not. Okay, and the fact that it is for sale, something that requires financial commitment, it will be better if you can get a demo. I don't know if they offer a demo. Let's just click on order. Let's see what we have here. For 3 months, $95, lifetime $179, premium. Okay, this is for basic, this is regular, this is premium, $298, essential $159. I didn't see demo mentioned anywhere. All right, but guys, I can see this is for if you are testing it on a demo account, but they didn't precisely mention that if a demo version is available to test it. Okay, so let's just see. I'm trying to see if I can help you find any information about testing on the demo first. Okay, so basically from the info we are seeing here, there is a 14 days unconditional money back guarantee according to what is mentioned here. Okay, so perhaps if you purchase the indicator and you do not like what you see, within 14 days you can request your money to be sent back to you according to what it's mentioned here. All right, and I think I also saw that 14 days unconditional money back guarantee. Okay, so that is one of the things that is being offered. Okay, even though that they might not give you a free demo, but they are saying that there is a 14 days unconditional money back guarantee for you. So if you want to take the risk, if you feel it's something you want to try out, if the indicator is an algorithm based indicator, is an algorithm based on artificial intelligence, and let's see if we can find a little bit more information. Okay, if you check the description, you're gonna get to this place, and then you can click on this link to get to the main page, right, to get more information. Okay, so you can read that during your free time to get more information about this indicator. But if you are looking for free indicators, then there are many other free indicators available on the Forex Geek website, which you can try out. Many free indicators. Okay, but if you are seeking an indicator that claims to be, accurate and have a high win rate, such as this Cryo Scalper that is claiming 86% to 93% win rate. Remember that this is a claim, all right? It is claiming 86% to 93% win rate. If you want to try it out, then feel free, but just make sure that you request your money back if you do not like what you see. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.